Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Oh sorry, I clicked too fast. You see it's looking great. Let's see how we can create this. Okay, at first we need to create this thing here. The hard part of creating this presentation is creating this thing. Let's see how I create this. For creating this, I use some picture. Let's see if I can get the picture. No, I can't get the picture. I use the picture here. You see this picture that texture for tree. You can download it by searching tree texture in the internet. After downloading that, you need to create a shape like this, and after that align it in the center and in the middle, and then create a rectangle, and after creating that press Ctrl A and just simply combine them. After that, go here and add the picture from the clipboard to your slide created. Okay, after creating that, we are going to use the created one here. After creating that, we need to create this text. This text has also not a simple text. It has some work on it. Let me say how I create it. I go to picture and in the stock image, when you search for brush, you get this picture, insert it, cut that, bring it here. Now I need to insert the text box here. I insert here and write a college in it. After that, change the font to Overdrive Sunset and increase it in size. Let me change the color to better seeing. After creating that, you just simply copy this picture and select this text, go to text option and use picture from the clipboard. You see, now the picture has been created, the texture. Then after that, we copy that thing, copy that another time. After copying that, here, we just simply put the text here. But you can also delay the text input, but I don't like to do that now. You can delay the text input by make them have some distance from each other, but I'm not going to do that. After that, just simply take the text out, copy this thing, paste it here, select all of them, set the transition to morph, and your work is done. Now see it. If you like my tutorials, please like and subscribe, and don't forget you can find more like this slide presentation in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.